Hey Windows users! Ever notice that pesky yellow triangle warning sign on your C drive? Don't worry, we've got your back. Let's get started on fixing that C drive warning sign glitch. Start by searching for CMD in your Windows search bar. Right-click on the command prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes to grant administrative privileges. Now go to the video description, copy the provided command, and paste it into the command prompt by pressing Ctrl+V. Hit Enter. Type exit and press Enter to close the command prompt. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for Control Panel in your Windows search bar. Open Control Panel and click on the drop-down menu, selecting Small Icons for a clearer view. Click on BitLocker Drive Encryption. Click on Turn on BitLocker. Choose Print the Recovery Key. Click Print and select a location to save the PDF file. Type a name for the file and click Save. Click Next, then Next again, followed by Next once more. Finally, click on Start Encrypting to complete the process. There you go. You've successfully navigated through the steps to resolve the issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.